Hi there, and thank you for joining us for this episode of PhillipCapital's Market Watch. I'm Liwat, a senior dealer at Phillip Securities. Today, we are diving into a company that plays a crucial but often overlooked role in the semiconductor industry, Teradyne. Unlike chip makers such as Nvidia, TSMC, or Intel, Teradyne does not design nor manufacture chips. Instead, it ensures that those chips produced by the former chip makers actually work. Let's find out why this company could be one of the quiet winners in the ongoing semiconductor boom. Founded in 1960 and headquartered in North Reading, Massachusetts, Teradyne is a leading global supplier of automated test equipment and robotics solutions. In simple terms, Teradyne's machines and software test semiconductors, wireless devices, and complex electronic systems used across industries ranging from smartphones and data centers to automotives, industrial machinery, and even aerospace applications. The company operates through four main business segments: semiconductor tests, system tests, wireless tests, and robotics. So while Teradyne is best known for its semiconductor testing equipment, it is also building a strong foothold in industrial automation to position the company at the heart of two powerful megatrends: the semiconductor revolution and the global shift to factory automation. Teradyne is one of the world's two dominant players in the automated test equipment (ATE) industry, alongside Japan's Advantest. Together, they form a virtual duopoly, as they are the only companies capable of producing the highly sophisticated and capital-intensive testers required for cutting-edge semiconductors, such as AI accelerators and high-performance computing GPUs. With its strong technological leadership, deep customer relationships, and high switching costs, Teradyne is well positioned to maintain its market share. As shown on this chart, semiconductor test market growth is trending upward, further reinforcing a positive long-term outlook for the company. Teradyne has established long-standing partnerships with leading OSAT, outsourced semiconductor assembly and test, and IDMs, integrated device manufacturers. One of its most significant customers is TSMC. Back in 2021, Teradyne indicated that TSMC accounted for around 12% of its total revenue. A key highlight of this relationship with OSATs and IDMs came when Teradyne was named TSMC's 2025 Open Innovation Platform Partner of the Year, recognizing their joint efforts in advancing multi-die test methodologies and 3D fabric packaging for chiplets. This high-profile endorsement reinforces Teradyne's position as a strategic partner, not just a vendor, and strengthens its reputation across the semiconductor ecosystem. Such partnerships give Teradyne a tangible competitive advantage in customer loyalty, technological innovation, and future growth opportunities. Financially, Teradyne remains highly profitable. The company has consistently maintained a gross margin close to 60%, reflecting the strength and profitability of its business model. In its latest Q3 2025 earnings report, Teradyne projected Q4 revenue between $920 million to $1 billion, representing a roughly 33% quarter-on-quarter increase. Management also expressed optimism heading into 2026, pointing to continued demand recovery as the semiconductor cycle turns upward. As with any semiconductor-related company, Teradyne is exposed to the cyclical nature of the industry. Demand for its products and services can fluctuate with chip production trends. In addition, its biggest competitor, Advantest, continues to dominate certain high-end test markets. At around 33 to 35 times forward PE, Teradyne's stock isn't cheap. But for long-term investors who believe in the expanding role of semiconductors across AI data centers, EVs, and next-generation electronics, Teradyne offers a steady way to participate in that growth without betting on any single chip maker. But remember to always do your own due diligence before investing. So that's Teradyne, the company making sure the chips that power our future actually work. If you found this breakdown helpful, give it a like and subscribe to us on YouTube for more insights. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.